Hi everyone, so today we will be looking at your next 72 hours. Okay, whenever you watch this video, okay. All right. So सबसे पहला message, the first message that I'm getting for you for the next 72 hours is that if you want to move ahead in your life, your intuition is asking you to move with love. Okay, for sure. मतलब see, I have the strong feeling that the person that you are dealing with has gone through a lot, and probably you have also gone through a lot. Okay, you both have a lot of cracks, but that doesn't mean that this is the end of the world. Okay, or it's not going to happen with the other person or somewhere else. Okay, पूरे चांसेस होते हैं, आप किसी भी रिलेशनशिप में जाओ पूरे चांसेस होंगे, एंड आपको कभी कोई गारंटी नहीं मिलेगी कि वो पर्सन आपको छोड़ के नहीं जाएगा. So here it's a very strong and intuitive message, and I think this has a lot to do with your spiritual journey as well. You might be seeing 777 a lot or 707 a lot, that now it's time that you make love your priority. Okay, do not make yourself your priority, do not make the other person your priority. All you need to do is to choose love over anything and over anyone or any situation. Okay, love is something that will elevate you. Love is something that can elevate you and your partner's bond as well. Okay, because I do see that you have a tie. Okay, there's a knot, and I think the person that you're dealing with, especially in terms of romance, this person is definitely someone with whom you are meant to be with. Okay, someone who has been destined to whom you are destined to be with. Okay, but there's this energy of love which is missing. Okay, and now universe is going to bring both of you more and more closer so that you both can work on your bond, and this relationship can move with love and not with more toxicity or any kind of pain or grief. Okay, so that grief period needs to end. Okay, you both need to support each other, and even if you're single or anything, please do not have this attitude that there's no love, everyone is selfish and this and that. No, you have to move with love, and that is like universe demanding you, commanding you that this is what you need to do. Okay, I also feel that right now your higher forces, your spirit guides are giving you a lot of messages, and you have very strong knowing that a lot of things are happening behind the veil. Okay, you may not see things in 3D, but you have that surety that a lot of things are happening behind the curtain, and that is why you're not getting very anxious. You may notice this pattern of yours, that whenever you used to feel whenever there was any kind of uncertainty in your life, or you would not you never used to feel safe or secure related to anything, that is not happening anymore. Okay, पहले जितना ज़्यादा आप impulsive होते थे, that is not happening anymore. So इस चीज को लेके firstly you need to appreciate this thing, okay, and secondly you also need to understand and see that your third eye is slowly opening, which is giving you certain channeled senses or channeled messages that things are happening. So you just need to be clear, you just need to be assertive, and you just need to have your eye on your goal. That is it. You don't have to do anything else. You have a major spiritual protection, so you and your loved ones both are safe, okay. And I also see that space energy. So whenever we are in space, right, जब भी कोई person एक space में जाएगा, obviously you float, right? There is no body weight or anything. This is what you need to apply in your spiritual life as well. That just imagine yourself as if your energy is just floating in a very protected zone, okay. So even if you just let yourself flow, even if you just let yourself be and ease out a little, nothing wrong is going to take place, because you are in the zone of heaven. You are divinely protected, okay. Then we have throat chakra. For the next 72 hours you are also being guided to take care of your communication part, okay, the words that you use, because very strongly I feel that you guys really have you really challenge when it comes to being vulnerable, when it comes to sharing your emotional expressions or anything that you want to express. अगर आपको बोल दिया जाए कि आपको अपना एक्सपीरियंस बताना है, जो दिल से आपको अपना एक्सपीरियंस बताना है, आप वो चीज़ नहीं कर पाओगे कम्प्लीटली. या तो आप इनकम्प्लीट इन्फॉर्मेशन बोलोगे, या फिर आप कुछ आप बहुत ज़्यादा अटकोगे, या फिर ऐसा हो सकता है कि आप बोलोगे ही नहीं. You will choose to stay silent. So that is something that you are struggling with, and that only happens when you're very defensive, okay, when you don't want to show your soft side, okay. There is no harm in showing the soft side, because उसमें आपको strong बनना पड़ेगा, because जब तक आप अपनी soft side नहीं दिखाओगे, अपनी vulnerable side नहीं दिखाओगे, आपको कभी पता नहीं चलेगा कि सामने वाला actually में है क्या, ओके. सो ये रिस्क हमेशा लेना पड़ता है, एंड ये रिस्क वल्नरेबल होने से ही आता है. बी completely vulnerable, be completely transparent for what you want to share, what you want to express, what you have in your heart, okay. Because if you see this card, I think this is how you protect yourself. If you see this shield, this looks like sun. कुछ लोगों के लिए हो सकता है कि आपका जो सन है वो काफ़ी ज़्यादा डोमिनेंट है आपके बर्थ चार्ट में, तो आपको ऐसा लगता है कि अगर आप कुछ भी बोलोगे और वो चीज़ एक्सेप्ट नहीं की जाएगी, so it will have a direct impact on your self-esteem or on your confidence, okay. So more than your heart, you are actually protecting your self-respect. More than your heart, you are actually protecting your confidence, your self-esteem. But whenever you say your thing, and even if you get any kind of rejection, even though there is no surety कि आपको rejection मिलेगा ही मिलेगा, but अगर आपको मिलता भी है, that should not impact your solar chakra, that shouldn't impact your identity. That means अभी भी कहीं ना कहीं ego है, where you are identifying yourself through someone else's words, through someone else's labels, acknowledgements, validations, okay. So don't put yourself into such challenging times. You can just simply drop this shield and be fearless कि भाई आ जाओ, मैं देखती हूँ तो क्या करता है, आ जा, देखते हैं क्या होता है. That kind of energy is something that you need to be in. Be completely fearless. Do not fear the judgment of others or what others will think or feel about you. I think let's be modern now, let's be authentic now, right. Then we also have sadness and isolation. So these are the three cards that I want to talk about now. So firstly, I do feel that there's a part of you which is quite isolated, which is in complete sadness, okay, in complete disappointment, but there's also a part of you which is quite healthy, okay. So I see dual energies within you right now, okay. There's this energy of isolation, but there's also an energy of light, positivity, light heartedness. So अब इन दो चीजों को बैलेंस करने का टाइम आ गया. कैसे आप इन दो चीजों को इंटीग्रेट करोगे, दिस इज समथिंग दैट यू नीड टू वर्क ऑन. इफ यू वांट, आई डू गिव one-on-one sessions on this, coachings on this, so you can contact me for a divine masculine and feminine integration. So yeah, so you have to see things from a new perspective, because there's a new vitality, there's a new shift which is going to happen in your life, which is about to take place in your life. But for this new shift, universe is asking you to be balanced, okay. अपने यिन एंड यांग को बैलेंस करो, मैस्कुलिन फेमिनिन को बैलेंस करो, ठीक है. इट्स नॉट नेसेसरी कि जब हम स्पिरिचुअल जर्नी पे होते हैं तो हमारे अंदर एक ये बहुत बड़ा मिसकंसेप्शन है दैट वी नीड टू बी ऑल राइट, okay, in every condition, in every way. That is not true. Even if you are not feeling good about certain things, but you do have the ability and choice to feel good about certain things. So that's how you can balance, that's how you can start practicing integration, okay. And the final card that we have is the card of embrace. So here you need to embrace yourself, okay. You can do this small visualization practice, okay, where you close your eyes, you see earth, okay, you see earth in your hand and you try to embrace it, okay. And then embrace it in the sense you try to embrace it like a baby, okay. And then you visualize that there's Mother Earth which is sitting behind you, okay. Visualize that you are also sitting in the lap of Mother Earth, okay, and she is embracing you just like the way you are embracing this earth. And I'm also getting a strong message that you have actually embraced a lot of connections, a lot of people in your life, but now it's time that you allow Mother Earth and other people to embrace you as well, okay. So invite that embracing energy, invite that caressing energy. Just say that I invite nurturing from Mother Earth, I invite nurturing from Mother Earth. So keep repeating this, use this affirmation, it's really going to help you. So that is it. I'll see you next time. Bye bye, take care.